Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Solano Waterproof Jacket. Okay, the Alpinestars Solano jacket retails for $249 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for price changes, only if the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing real quick. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds, about a 33-inch waist. I have on a size large in this coat right now, and I would say that is the size that I would want. This definitely has more of a fitted cut, right? There's not a whole lot of room left here, right? Nice and snug everywhere. Urban styling. Who is this jacket right for? This is meant for, basically commuting. Somebody that's looking for something that has this kind of style, offers a very reasonable measure of protection, and has that waterproof feature built into it. There is some ventilation with this jacket, but it's more of an air circulation feature than it is ventilation. They're right here, and I will confess it's kind of a little hard to unzip that. But that is going to be direct to skin. We'll show you that in the second part of this video. It's direct to skin. It's going to be more of an air exchange feature than it's going to be an actual vent, right? Plenty of storage is found on this jacket. You got a little waterproof pocket here. You could probably get a wallet in there, maybe a phone. You have two large pockets here, hand warmer style, right? Easily get in there with gloves on. Two up here at the breast. Right? Internally, there are two pockets that are built into the inner mesh liner as well. So we have a lot of storage with this jacket. Armor. Let's start with what it comes with. It comes with their all-new Nucleon Flex Plus armor. This stuff is so low profile and comfortable. You don't see that it's in the jacket, and you don't feel that it's in the jacket. You're going to get that in the elbow form as well as the shoulder. The jacket also has pockets that accept a back protector insert or chest protector inserts. Those are sold separate. You'll find those in the Alpinestars Armor section on our website. There's multiple options to choose from. We break all those down in separate videos. In terms of the back protection, there is just one option for the chest protector. If you like what you see so far and you want more details, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to take it off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the Alpinestars Solano Waterproof Jacket from the inside out. It has a removable insulated vest liner. This thing just snaps right in here, right? Got a little Velcro patch back here, secures to a loop. Base of the jacket. Armor that comes with the coat, and then we'll talk about the armor options after that. This is their Nucleon Flex Plus armor. This stuff is super low pro, right? Flexible, moldable, very comfortable. This is the shoulder piece. It's going to be level 1 certified stuff, okay? It's almost invisible when it's in the coat. It's important to note that. Here is your elbow and forearm piece. And in a jacket that's really kind of an urban style jacket, to have armor that's really invisible, right, I think is a huge benefit. If you want to add more armor to it, this jacket has pocket in the back to accept any one of their Nucleon back protector inserts. You can get CE level 1 or 2 for that area. And it also has pockets up front to accept the chest armor, okay? To access that or the pieces that I took out, you undo the Velcro down here, slide your hand up in there. It's very self-explanatory. Focusing on the jacket itself now. Very clean styling in the back. On the sides of the coat, these are actually direct-to-skin vents, believe it or not, on both sides, okay? More than they're going to let air flow in, right? This is probably just going to encourage an exchange of air because the way these are positioned, you're not really going to have air driving into them, okay? Volume adjustment here at the waist is done with spring-loaded metal snaps. Get to the sleeve of the coat. Here on the on the left side, you got a waterproof exterior storage pocket right here. It's about yay big. Okay, probably get a wallet in there, possibly a phone. There are 600D reinforcements in the impact zones for this jacket. Here's your cuff, spring-loaded metal snap, 2 to choose from. Get to the front of the coat. 2 storage pockets exterior here. They're going to be a mirror image. What I like they've done too is these pockets, right? This will be waterproof. and they're large. You can easily get your hand in there when you have a glove on. Waterproof main zip. Get inside the coat. Got a nice mesh liner. Comfort fabric here on the collar. Storage pocket. Slip type over here. If you want to attach this to your riding pants or your belt, you can do that. These are elastic, right? So it's really easy to do. That'll keep the jacket overlapping your pants, so when you're in the riding position, you don't have any exposed skin in that area. Definitely a really urban style jacket. It's more of a slim cut. We showed you that in the first part of this video. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.